beautiful USA nature. I'm going to take you on a beautiful walking trail along the water stream. Indian in USA, your NRI Raja. Let's go. Hello, today I'm going to take you to the beautiful nature. There's a beautiful water stream right here. I got my coffee and I'm going to fill it up a little bit. Then we're going to walk on this beautiful nature in Virginia, USA. Let's go. So this is the entrance to this water stream. There is quite a bit of cars. This is the entrance and there's a highway passing by, but all this area is a forest area. So once you go in, you will see how beautiful it is. There is a states walking to downstairs, and it rained last night, so water is flowing good. These water streams eventually will go to rivers, and then they'll go and join in the Atlantic Ocean on the east coast of United States. So there is a highway bridge passing by right there, and it's a cloudy day. The spring is just popping up, and look at this beautiful sight. All the grass is turning green. The life is turning from death to life, and everything is turning green. All the trees are getting their leaves, and look at this beautiful water stream here. So we are going to walk along this water stream. There is a beautiful spots up here. I've been here many times, so I will take you through this nature journey. And it rained last night, so it is little muddy and slippery, but it's worth going this route. There are two ways to go up. One is like a little climbing up there, but I choose to go this area, this route which goes around. It's a little longer, but it's not that hiking. I made it up on the first hike. As you see here, there's a lot of trees fell down, and nobody's allowed to take them out. It naturally has to decompose, and it will become a fertilizer. So everything will be left as it is. If the tree is fallen down, it will be there, and it will decompose, and it will become fertilizer for this forest. So that is a beauty here. You're not allowed to take home any of the wood. It's illegal here. Hear that beautiful sounds of the birds here. Here I arrived at the first beautiful spot along the water stream here. Look at this nature which is just popping up. It's turning green. It's beautiful weather here. Hear that bird calls. The birds are talking to each other. Look at this tree which fell down into the water, and all the trees on the banks of this water stream they will lose the soil underneath, then eventually they fall down into the water. So this meandering water will keep eroding the banks of this water stream, so this will get wider, and also this will slowly change its path over the time. Oh, look at this beauty, these flowers coming in, these blue flowers. The nature is at its best, and it is still to come. These parks are managed by Northern Virginia Regional Authority, and they labeled here, this name is a Bull Run-Occoquan Trail, and you can horse ride here, you can walk here, but no bicycles here and no motorized vehicles. So this is beautifully maintained because it rained last night. It looks wet, but still this brought more beauty to this nature here. We're going to detour at every scenic spots here to take a look at this water stream in different angles and appreciate the nature. It's beautiful. There is no people anywhere around here. All right, we keep going slowly and steadily. There is a lot of beautiful spots coming up ahead. We are arriving at one of the beautiful spots here, the scenic spot, stop 1. And there is a shells here, seashells. They floated down here from upstream and they landed here. See, all these things are seashells. It's a beautiful seashells. There's a lot of them. Look at this scenery. Look at this beautiful scenic spot here, and water reflections and the nice green popping up as the leaves and flowers are blooming. And look at this tree. It's almost gravity is pulling this down because it is at the banks of this river, this water stream. It loses the sediment down there slowly, and it loses its control to stand straight. So this tree eventually is going to fall down, but for now it looks beautiful. Look at the clarity of the water here. The water is so clear. And these beautiful rocks which are torn down by this water flow into small pieces. This is really beautiful. Someone used the wood to fire here. I don't know if it's legal. So let's proceed further up to next scenic spot. Look at this beautiful nature up here. It's so quiet and nobody's around. And look at the green, all the green everywhere here. I have seen only like 4 people until now in this walking trail along this water stream. We arrived at the next scenic spot here. This is beautiful. It's a little muddy, but I love the nature. Look at the clear water flowing through. It rained last night, so there is always water in this water stream, almost no matter what. But today is like, it's beautiful because more water is flowing up here. I am standing at the edge of the bank of this water stream, and this is a forest area. There's a tall trees up here. They still need to get their leaves. In just next week or so, we will see this total area is covered with the leaves and green everywhere. Look at the water quality here. So clean, and there's a little island formed in the middle. All right, we arrived at the next scenic spot here. Look at this beauty and the beast. Wow, this is really good. The water stream width is so high here. Look all the way over there. The water is flowing down into the water stream. And this tree is dead, and you can still see the leaves from the fall season. And this is really beautiful sight. And there's an island in the middle where trees are still standing up. So eventually it is going to erode all that island, and they're all going to slowly lean to the water and fall down. There are views everywhere. As I walk along like little bit, I get to see these beautiful views of this water stream changing continuously. So we'll go further to explore. There is another beautiful spot down there that I know. So I'm going to take you to that beautiful scenic spot. Here is a clear view of this island and the small rocks and shells, and here this water sounds flowing through. Look at those trees which fell down and died from these banks. This sign says, "Attention horses, obstacles ahead. Follow pink horseshoes for bypass trail. Hikers welcome." All right, we arrived at the next scenic spot here. The scenic spots are getting close to the water stream. Now we can see the whole view of this water and these beautiful blue flowers popping up. And there is an eagle flying up there, and probably it's looking for its meal. And the birds are still making their nests. So this is the season where they make the nest and lay their eggs and make their babies to raise the next generation of their species. So this is a little muddy and all that, but I don't care. I love the nature, and I like to walk by the banks of these water streams and rivers. And this is really, really good. Look at the greens. Look at there, someone brought their chairs, sofa right there, the car seat probably. They left it there so that they can sit and enjoy this nature. And you can see there is apartments behind that trees. So this is not in the jungle kind of thing, but this area is protected, and this is really beautiful. Look at the grand view here of all the nature. You can hear the calling of these birds, calling their darlings and competing for mating and trying to make their families. There is lots of kinds of birds here all around. and I came to this walking trail couple of times, and you would think this is a scary place and no people around, but I did not see any wild, there is no wild animals here. So, and also I did not see any snakes yet, so I had to be cautious watching. They'll be camouflaged in the nature, so you can't see them, so you have to be really careful and walking along. All right, I reached this bank here. I still see the shells. And the water is very clear. Look at the erosion, how it's eroding down. Wow, this is really good. Beautiful. This place is so beautiful. I can't leave this place. It's so quiet, and there's a beautiful water stream and birds chirping, and the nature is at its best. It's a cloudy day. The weather is good. All right, I'm trying to walk out of this place, and let's see if there's a way up here. And it's a little slippery, so I had to be careful. There is no way this side, so I had to go back on the other side. Looks like there is a way, but I'm not sure. No, it's better go other way, but let's explore. You have to take the paths which no one has taken. That's what exploration means. Wow, look at this beautiful water puddle here. This is another water stream, branched out small water stream. So this looks beautiful. I don't know if there is a way down there, but let's try it. Otherwise I had to go back all the way. Wow, look what I found. There's a small bridge crossing this water pond here. This is really good. I never seen this before. Oh, so I already came back to the original route. I made it to the main walking trail here. So let's go a little further up, then check it out. I do see some ducks over there hiding behind the trees. The temperature is around 14 degrees here. It's beautiful, and I'm getting a little sweaty, so I took out my jacket. So this is a really beautiful weather. It's a cloudy day, and this is very nice Look at this beautiful spot. These rocks are standing out from erosion. These are hard layers of the rock, and along this water stream here, trip. So hope you enjoyed this video. Leave comments below, ask any questions that you have, and subscribe. Your NRI Raja, Indian in USA. I would like to show you all the US nature and how things work, how is the lifestyle here in USA. So subscribe.